Yo, what's good, my dudes? How is everybody going? Welcome back to some vehicle mod development. Today is the big day. Today we are implementing a vehicle which has been called better than a Lamborghini. That's right, better than a Lamborghini. This thing does at least 0 to 100 in 2 seconds, alright? 0 to 100 in 2 seconds. You don't hear that from many vehicles these days, guys. It's rare that a manufacturer will actually develop one like that, alright? Today, we are adding in a kid's June buggy. You heard me right, a kid's June buggy. If you're here for the previous live stream, you would have seen that we started developing the model for it, and it's looking flippin' amazing. It's looking flippin' amazing, and I'm going to show you guys right now as I bring up my model creator, because this is going to be a legendary vehicle. It's marking a point in history, guys. It's marking a point in history. Hold up, where is it? I gotta bring it up for you guys. Oh god, oh, I completely just forgot where my model creator executable is. Alright, there it is. Alrighty, so let's bring this up right now. But take a look. Feast your eyes on this, boys and girls and boys. Feast your eyes on this. Look, this is just the frame. This is just the frame of it. Have a look at this thing. Have a look at it. It looks so good. And we're going to be adding this in to the vehicle mod today, and hopefully drifting with it as well. Drifting with it as well. Welcome back, everybody, though. I see you guys all in the chat. We got Haunted Corpse, Ocelot, Dread Lord Gaming, Master Chief. Who else we got in here? Who else is in here? Bloxy, wait, what up, dudes? Welcome back to my sponsors, and welcome back to everybody else as well. Hopefully you guys are super duper excited for this live stream today. And if you do enjoy this live stream, or go ahead right now, go ahead, snap that like button and show your support. And as well, if you guys want to get a shout out, as always, go over to my Twitter, link in the description below, turn on bell notifications. You know what to do. You know what to do if you want to get up to date with all these live streams. But we're going to be adding this in today, and you know, I've been pretty excited about it, because yesterday I was like, should I add it in off camera? I'm like, nah, I'll wait till live stream so people can actually see it be implemented. Rawley coming in hot with a super chat. Oh, let's wait for it to come up on the live stream. I don't like to read it out until it comes up on the live stream. You know, I got my cup of Java to start me off today as well, guys. Cup of Java to start me off. Cup of Java ain't hurt nobody. Ain't hurt nobody. There it is, finally. When will you release your town? When will you release your town? I don't know if I'm going to be releasing it. I might do like another update to the map which has another building in it. But like, I don't want to like release my town, because I feel like the thing is, like, I have more like, it sounds weird, but like I have like a personal connection to the map, because it's like my map that I've developed and I've been using for like almost 2 years now for my videos, and it like feels weird if I just give it away, because like you guys won't, I mean, you'll appreciate it, but you won't appreciate it as much as I do. So I don't think I'm ever going to release like a full map, but as you guys know, I released my mansion not too long ago, and you know, actually set it up for you guys so you can develop your own town, and some of you guys actually did, and I appreciate that for the people that went over to my Twitter and actually sent pictures of like, you know, a town actually built using the map I sent them. So that's really, really cool. Alrighty, so we've already exported all this type of stuff, so we don't really need to come back to this anymore. I'm just trying to think if there's going to be any issues. If there's any issues, we'll come back to this. Alright. So let's go back to here, and what we need to do is start adding this in. So I'm actually going to rename this to ATV_body. Oh, just do like body ATV, so we can know, we can get all the bodies just by typing in B. Alright. Like half of these, like, yeah, like see like this, like handlebar. This should be like, oh, we could do like ATV handlebar. ATV body, because then we can get all the parts for it. I feel like wheel should be the one. The wheel came first, guys. The wheel came first before the vehicles. So I feel like wheel should be at the top here. Hope you guys all agree. Oh, dang, we got another one coming in. Holy shit, he loves this.
I just want the buildings to use with mods.
I just want the building to use with your mods. I mean, that's basically what everybody wants. Is they want the building so they can actually use the mods and all that type of stuff. So, I'll see. I might do like, you know, I might do like a more updated map. Maybe I'll do like a mansion that actually has the mods with it. Because like I actually released a clean version of the mansion, but maybe I'll release a map that's actually like a modded version. But I appreciate the super chats, dude, and thank you for coming along, Rawley. Appreciate your support a ton. How are you, Dreadlord Gaming? I'm pretty good, dude. I'm doing good, you know. I don't know. I'm always, like, you know, I'm always up and down. I'm always up and down, to be honest. Release the lasers. I'll do it soon. I just want to like. There's still some bugs I've got to fix with it, so I'll have to patch them up before I actually do release it. Alrighty, so public, static, final, item, Lamborghini. I mean, sorry. Jeez. Oh, I got a bit ahead of myself there. Lamborghini, jeez. Alright, sorry. June buggy. Pretty much, it's pretty much the same. Pretty much the same. Easy to confuse it, to be honest. Easy to confuse it. You know, you see that, and you're just like, oh, it's a Lamborghini. Oh no, sorry. It's a kid's June buggy. It's a kid's June buggy. Easy mistake, to be honest. Happens all the time. Happens to the best of us. Item part, Lamborghini. No, sorry. All right, I'm overusing it now. June buggy, body. June buggy body. I need to rename like a bunch of this stuff, like ATV. Like these need to all be renamed, but I gotta put like a missing mapping event so it doesn't come up with any errors next time you guys load up the actual mods. So, are you ready for a 5-hour stream? It's not gonna be a 5-hour stream. Why do you like Minecraft? Because I do. I like Minecraft, but I like programming. Programming's like different to Minecraft. It's actually, you know, programming and that type of stuff. I've been learning a lot. about OpenGL, guys. I've been learning a lot about OpenGL, and I'm actually kind of doing like a little project in my own time, just experimenting with it and actually using modern OpenGL, because it's better. Like, Legacy's kind of dead now and people don't recommend it unless you're actually trying to support an old project. But if you're starting fresh, start with you know, I mean, like, I've been working with lightweight Java game library 3, and like using modern OpenGL is a lot better. Modern GL is easy. Yeah, I mean, I'm like, I actually like using you know, like actual like shaders. It's pretty easy. It's like, it's not that much different, but like, I'm just like taking it slow. I've been learning a lot though. I've been learning a lot because there's like this one particular series on YouTube at the moment, which is like fresh, teaching you pretty much everything about it, and I like, nowhere else could explain it as good as that. Load shader, then render index array. Pretty much. That's pretty much. But there's so much you can do with that though, because you can change, you can create your own format. You can create your own format for each, like, for each vertex, I think, or something like that. You can create your own format. Cray, why have you been Mr. Latefish? I ain't late. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I was literally like on time. I was 11:50. I was at 11 o'clock and 59 seconds. All right, it was still within the boundaries. Still within the boundaries. All right. All right, June buggy body. June buggy body. Oh yeah, I actually hold up. Did I actually? Did I release that version? Did I build a version of it? I didn't build a version of it. Ah! Rest in pepperoni, my dudes. Hold up. Copy. Hold up. Is everything all good? Do I update it? Hold on, I was supposed to release a patch. So I'm gonna push this one out tonight, which fixes some issues. I should almost create like a new branch, to be honest. Hold up. Give me 2 seconds. Gotta fix up this branchy type stuff. Discard. Alright, we'll just say refactor names. Hold on. I need to create a new branch. I'll do this on a new branch because I've got to still push some bugs to that version. Because someone actually submitted one on GitHub. He liked Cray before YouTube. Cray, who was this? It's 7 minutes now since you are a world famous streamer. Imagine 2 hours later you think back and say, oof, it's been a good, what? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on here. Hold up. We'll call this June Buggy. Alright, there we go. We're in this new branch now. Alright, added that back in. Models. Alrighty, so June Buggy body, and then we have June Buggy handlebar. Whoops. Handlebar. There we go. Can you add an aircraft in your mod? Maybe. I don't know if I want to do planes in this mod just because the physics are awkward. Will you make a new TV channel on your furniture mod? Maybe. I don't know yet. I would like to, but I don't know. I'll repeat since you missed my message. What if you combined all your mods into a large bundle mod that has everything you made? There it is already. It's called the Cray pack. It's already released, my dude. If you actually have the Twitch launcher, I'll show you. I'll show you proof. Mods, Minecraft, browser mod packs, the Cray pack. Hold up, give it 2 seconds to index. There it is. The Cray pack. A mod pack containing mods by Mr. Crayfish. I don't think it has a list of the mods though, but there you go. It's all of them. It's all of them there, my dude. So, an easy to set up mod pack for you guys. Alright, let's register. June. Oh my god, YouTube. No, get off here. Hey, this song. Hey. YouTube, you're not cool. I need to like download all these songs and then actually like play them locally so I don't have to go through ads. Quiz, what does RAF stand for? I don't know. Holographic speedometer. You know about the 5 minutes of nothing in the latest video? Yeah, I did. Stupid Premiere. It's so annoying. It's because I use a template, right? I use a template and then I have multiple sequences for each component of like the video. And then the main sequence where I actually export it. the sequence contained inside of that was longer than it should have been. Obfuscate live soon, fixing bugs? Yes, most likely. Hey, my crush likes me, and now I'm super happy. I thought, yeah, we knew that. You tell it, we already knew that, Green Bean Games. We already knew that. You gotta tell us what's happening. When's your first date? When's your first date? Alright, so we've registered that. So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna create an entity. New Java class, entity, June, buggy. People are gonna be so confused, like entity, vehicle. Like, people be confused because, oh, is that the right one? Yeah. Set max speed. Yeah. 1,000, my dudes. 1,000. Nah, maybe 100. This is gonna be ridiculous. Oh my god. How fast should it be, guys? How fast should it be? Let me know in the chat right now. Because, you know, we could make it redonkulous if we wanted to. Get moving sound. Hold up. Yeah, boy, hearing things. Hold up. Is this somebody? Yeah, boy, hearing things. Like, a couple of times, because, like, we're still doing painting here. Like, a couple of times, my dad has just, like, walked in, because he has keys. He has keys, so he just walks straight in. And then I'm like, here, I'm like, whoa, shoot. Please, please, please release my car mod. Maybe. I hear it as well. No, you're just lying now. You're lying now. You're trying to scare me. When did you get a hotel room? What do you mean? Got a house, dude. I got a house. Cray, check the showroom chat on your Discord. It's a lovely suggestion. Showroom? Why is it in showroom? You just admitted to off-topic posting. Oh my god. Maybe we'll have to add that in the future. Maybe we'll have to add that in the future. That's like when you go shopping. When you go shopping and you have those. I used to work at a supermarket, so I'd always see kids. I would always see, like, the kids wanting to go into those, so. I mean, I would want to go to it. I'm an adult. I would want to ride in that thing. I'd want to ride in that thing. That beast of a vehicles. You know, oh, this is what I was thinking, guys. This is what I was thinking, right? This would be legendary, right? Like, I want to have a green screen, right? I want to have a green screen. And then I want to have, like, a backdrop of, like, the inside of my mansion where my office is. Like, how cool would that be? Like, if, like, I'm pretending I'm literally at my office inside of the Minecraft world. I think that'd be cool. Just as, like, a, I don't know. It'd be interesting. Because they're like, yo, what's up, dudes? You know, it's Crayfish. I'm in my office here. I could probably get the right angle as well to match the position of the webcam. Because as you guys can see, it's kind of pointing downwards. You can see my floor. So I would have to, like, make it kind of match. So behind me, like, right... where am I pointing? Like, right there would be, like, the stairwell. The stairs to my mansion would be, like, right there. Sounds like, oh my god, Craft. But he is, like, a legit physical world. Oh! Oh my god. Fabby50, I'ma get you.
It's almost 4 in the morning. I'm not sure why I'm still awake at this point, but here I am watching Senpai Crayfish add a tricycle into Minecraft. Like, what?
I appreciate the support, Fabby50, and it's 4 AM. What the heck, dude? Yeah, we actually had daylight savings here, so the stream is like an hour later for everybody, which is kind of annoying because you guys probably had like a schedule, and then I'm like still doing my normal schedule, but for you guys it's different, but for me it's the same, so it's kind of a little bit weird. But dude, you're super dedicated, Fabby50. I've been seeing your retweets as well on Twitter, even though you haven't been here, so I appreciate the support a ton, dude. And cheers for the $5. Let me go ahead and update the actual donation list here, so you guys get your recognition on the live stream here. There we go. So we got Alex Couch, Rolly, and oh no, I don't think Fabby50s will come through. Dang it. Because I don't, you know, super chat. I should probably change around to donations instead, because the problem with super chats is that 50% of your money goes to YouTube, or is it like 40%? I don't know, one of those two. So if you donate, it's like 100% pretty much. So there's a better donation link in the description below if you guys decide to send any money my way. We had daylight savings here as well, so it's like 2 hours ahead. Check your Discord general voice chat. No, I'm not going into voice chat. You ain't tricking me. You ain't tricking me. Yeah, I'm gonna jump into voice chat. Alright, stereo. What are we gonna do here? We gotta register it, but we've also got to how does the rendering work? Proxy. Oh, no, it'd be client. Yeah, here we go. Whoa!
Sending money? Like this?
Ah! It's so loud. Ouch! Yes, it was. Oh my god, yes. Yeah, that's what you do. So instead of super chats, the donation link in the description below is the better way if you guys want to donate and whatnot. I might update the thing on my screen to have donators instead, but maybe I'll have super chatters too. Maybe I'll have super chats still, just because some people still do it, and you know. Oh my god, that hurt my ears. That hurt my ears, but I appreciate the support, Fabby50. You're a real one. You're a real one. Alright. So let's go ahead. We need to get, what's this? This is bad, by the way, guys. I made a mistake here. This is very bad. Very bad. I should have never done this.
Fabby50. Your eardrums. It makes me laugh.
I can't hear. I can't hear anymore. I can't hear now. Appreciate the support again, dude. Coming in hot with a ton of donations. Hey Crayfish, I made a cheese and crackers mod just for you. How do I send the mod link to you? I don't know. Upload it to CurseForge and then send the link. Do it on like Twitter or something like that. You said it was 30% before? What? So what I'm thinking instead is, I don't know why I'm doing it like this, but I decided to do it like this, and it's a pretty bad way to do it, to be honest. Well, what I gotta do is... where is it being rendered? Yeah, here. So like, instead of doing it like this, we need to do like more of a raw Minecraft. Hey! I saw that one. I saw that one.
Yeah, I mean I haven't been here for a while. Got us in some fat stacks. XD.
That's Fabby50 right now. That's a in real life picture of Fabby50 right now. Cheers for the support, dude. Cheers for the support. Alright, so let's figure out what we've got to do right here. How do I render an item? I think it's like Minecraft.get item renderer. Render item. Oh no, I think it's get render item. Render item. Here we go. So we need to get the baked model. So I think it's like I baked model equals hey. So many donations coming
Throwing
in.
cash all around.
Holy shoot. Throwing cash all around. Ah! He's got that donation link on his quick. Oh, what's it? I don't know what it's called. Appreciate the support, dude. Appreciate the support. Are we going to be able to get any updates of the Battle Royale mod? I'm going to push on soon because obviously it's broken right now. And that's my bad. Hey, I want to send it private. I don't have Twitter. I don't do private. You're going to have to find a way to send it to me. Facebook, Twitter, Discord. Discord would be the best way. Link in the description below. If you don't have Discord, join it. Join it. And then send the link in like off topic or something like that. I'm going to spend all my money for an Australian Shepherd. Oh yeah, dang. That'd be cool. Get model. Get render manager. Get. I gotta find out. I forgot what it's called. It's not in the item renderer. No, it's not. Get block. Nah, this does not work. Which one is it? I think it's like get render manager, get something. No. Get it's one of these things that allows me. Oh no, here we go. Get item model with overrides. Get item model mesher. Get item model. There we go. Now what does that need? This needs an item stack. Cool. Copy that. Oops. We're like optimizing. Render item. Oh. So like this should be the same, but we'll see. One of these wheels. Let's have a look. Let's start up the game. Because we should be doing it like this instead. Oh my god. Not while I'm drinking coffee.
Last one.
Cheers Fabby50 for the support, dude. Can we get a big shout out to Fabby50 right now? Can we get some hype in the chat for him, dude? Amazing. He's been like Fabby50's been here for a very, very long time. He's been a sponsor. He's always bringing in the love. Always supporting me for what I do. Right now, he can't get to every single live stream. But just spread the love, dudes. Spread the love. And I appreciate the support again, my dude. appreciate the support a ton. I keep mentioning on these live streams, like, you know, like these, like, this channel I invest like a lot of time into, like spending these, like the amount of time I do on these live streams. Oh, what the? We're missing a wheel. We're missing a wheel, my dudes. Yo, someone jacked my wheel. Someone jacked my wheel. Oh my god. Someone jacked my wheel, dudes. I know what happened, don't worry. What the heck? Who did this? They stole my wheel! Who stole my wheel? The heck? Fabi 50's Cray's #1 fan. The heck? Alright, I know what I did wrong, don't worry. I think it's like wheel. Get item model. The thing is, I like to just keep, instead of creating like a new item stack every time, like instead of doing this, I like to actually have it as a item stack in memory. How's that being translated down there? Huh. Does it still work? Oh, whoa, 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 what's this? What's this? Ah! Yo, is this right? You guys know if that's supposed to do that or not? Yeah, it doesn't look right, to be honest, to me. Doesn't look right. Wheel's doing a cartwheel. Pretty much. I think it's like get item model with overrides. So I have to have a look here. Oh no, with overrides is just the overrides thing. What's this? Hold up. Get item model overrides. What type of model did it get though? Because the thing is, yeah. Let's have a look. Oh, render model. What render model are we doing? I know, render. You know, we need to do a different one. Whoopsie. Render item. This one here. Oh. I think this is the one that we want. Render camera. I think it's fixed. Oh, nope. That made it even smaller. I think it's ground. Closer. Trying to figure out what the issue is. I mean, what does that render? Render entity would be render. Render entity item. It would be ground. Oh. So it was the ground. But it's like translated. Yeah, right. Why am I getting news reports? I hate this song, by the way. I don't like that one, to be honest. It's kind of a little bit boring. Skip this ad. There we go. Get Mr. Crayfish to look at Discord. What's going on? What's going on Discord? Y'all, nothing going on. What's this? Oh my god. Rest in pepperoni. Like, we don't even have to do that anymore. Pretty cool. So, the thing is, we need to fix up the translation now, the wheels. Fix up the translation of the wheels. What happens? Oh no, we're not going to summon the June buggy yet because it ain't going to work, by the way. It ain't going to work, so. It looks stupid. Of course it does. I make channel. What do you mean? Yeah, it's pretty common occurrence, to be honest. This happens to me a lot. It happens to me a lot that the wheels start doing this. So what part of it do we gotta fix up? Wheel scale. Is it this here? What does that do? Oopsie. Hold up. We need to switch over to this view. There it is. Still got that picture of the June buggy there. Hey guys, broken vehicle here. Alright, let's see if we can fix this up. It's the translation after it renders. Because that just adjusts the height. Maybe this has to be just 0. Oh no. Definitely not that. Wheel scale. Whoa, nope. What's wrong? What's wrong with it? Ah! The mechanic didn't put my tire on right. Oh my god. Get out of here, ad. Dreadlord Gaming, please keep it English, please. Keep it English, please. Nobody... We don't want to see that. Alright, let's see if we can figure this out. It's kind of awkward. Let me hop off the vehicle. This would be better if I hop off the vehicle. Alright, let's go into this mode. And let's keep an eye on that. Alright, there we go. Okay, so what's going on here? Is there anything that indicates what I've got to do here? Is it like the height of it? Trying to figure out what's the problem here. Alright, first of all, let's check out the wheel. Ah, okay. The ground translation was like incorrect. Let me reload. This might fix it up. There we go. It actually centered it. Nice. And then hopefully this scales right too. So let's say we change the wheel scale. Ah, works perfect. Works perfect. Hate when this happens. I hate when this happens. Just happens sometimes, you know, I'm just driving out and just suddenly one of my wheels gets bigger. Two of them are flying off the side like this. Happens every single time. Anyone know a solution? How to fix this? How do you fix this type of stuff? I'm not a mechanic. Alright. Alright. Every time. Mr. Crayfish. As I mentioned, Dreadlord Gaming, please don't speak in another language in this chat. Please keep it English only. Just because we can't keep track of what you're actually saying. Crayfish, you know, Roblox, I like and love it. And I love Minecraft too. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'm ever going to play Roblox, sorry. I don't know, I just don't see it as an interesting game. He fixed the broken wheel and broke all the others in the process. Yeah, it's because like I converted to a new rendering method. I'm going to go to the ATV. I wasn't supposed to do this, but wheel. Where's that get initialized? Entity vehicle body. Ah. Ah, okay, that makes sense why I did that. Alright. Shh, we don't need the truth, just do your magic. Where can we initialize this from? Guess we could say just in the constructor or something like that. wheel equals new wheel. Mind you, it doesn't really matter if we do it here, because it's not like a client-side only thing. Like, it's like none of this is exclusive to client-side, so it doesn't really matter if we do it here. I just don't want to, yeah. Like, cause now we can just do like entity.wheel like that, which is nice. What I should do here as well is I don't like to use, like, see how I'm using the transform type ground here? Whoopsie. Should have switched back to here. Whoops. I don't like how I'm using the transform type ground here. I always like, if I'm not doing, like, because it's not really that transform type, it doesn't make sense that I'm using it there. So what I like to do is make sure that fixed here is just this, right? Oh no, hold up, I think it's like, no, hold up, we could just do none. And a secret render that doesn't exist. Ah! Crashy crash crash. Wait, what? I'm not even gonna read that out. Still banned from using YouTube Super Chats. I don't know why. Yay for microtransactions. Really? That's weird that you got banned. Like, how's that make sense? How's that even make sense? You must, I don't know. You must have got like some sort of strike on your channel. A warning for your channel. That's weird. I missed the last few streams. Welcome, Zaviper. Thanks for coming along, dude. Yeah. You missed out on some epic live streams, dude, but I'm glad you've joined in for today's one because we are actually finally adding in the epic Lamborghini, June buggy into the mod, into the game. I'm just kind of fixing up some things right now. Ah, look at that. Looks amazing. And now we just replace all these here with our magic method. And then, right? We're gonna have to fix this up, but don't worry. Wait, what? Hold up. I just realized. Y'all, that ain't supposed to be in here. That ain't supposed to be in here, my dudes. Get that out of here and put it in here. Where the heck did color come from? Get out of here. What the heck? Oh my god, so many things I gotta fix up. Alright, for now, let's leave this in here. I didn't really want to do that, but we're leaving it in here. Because that code needs cleaning up. I thought I separated all the ATV type stuff, but seems like I didn't. Seems like I didn't. Alright, I'm going to do new item stack, mod items, ATV handlebar, and then I'm going to do a to-do next to it. To-do, change to, and to. Entity dot body. Oopsie, no, it's not supposed to be that. Let's see what happens here. Ah! Hate when this happens. Your ATV just sinks into the ground. Every time. It's a lowrider now, guys. It's a lowrider now. It's a lawnmower. It's a lawnmower. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, no. Why? Why you do this? I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done this. I gotta figure out what the height is. Uh-oh. 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 We're gonna translate this correctly now. Uh-oh. It's because they're doing a weird translation here. I'll switch over to this mode. Alright. We're gonna get this right though. So yeah, it's too low. Too high now. How am I gonna figure this out what it is? Alright, let's figure out what it was. Body, ground. Yeah, it didn't have anything to it. What is this here? Oops. So that at 0 is that. So how high is that? We might have to figure this out. We need to get this right. We need to get this right. Just breaking the entire mod. ATV, yes. Alright, so it's already like 1 pixel off the ground. I'm just gonna test how high it actually is. So it's 8 pixels high. So if I do 0.5, okay, that's the real position of what it looks like in the model creator. Now we need to figure out the height of the wheels. Wheel. Vehicle wheel. Was that it? That can't be it, that one. That's not the wheel. Hold up. Or is it? I think it is actually. So the height is 5 pixels, alright? But it depends on the scale of it. So this needs to be moved up 1 pixel. So it's basically 5 pixels. The thing is, the scale on the wheel isn't the same. This is awkward. Broke the whole entire mod. Not really, but... let's move the wheels up first. I feel like maybe that would be a good idea. Move the wheels up first. Offset center. Alright, is that right? Or is it floating? Alright, that looks good. And then move the body up now. So I gotta figure out what this is gonna be. Way too high. Nope. Is that right? Nah, it's too... Dang it. Ah my god, converting over to this new method is so confusing. Alright, what are the wheels scaled to? Hold up. If I know what the wheels are scaled to, then I can figure out what it is. Wheel scale is 1.95. Alright. So... calculator. There's some serious calculations here. 195 times 5 pixels high. So the total height is like 10 pixels for the wheels. Alright. Or whatever that is, alright. And then if we divide it plus 0.0625 divided by 2 gives us that value. And then we need to
enjoy non-stop music. Even when
convert that back to,
or when you're offline. Listen to it all.
I think it's 1 divided by nope. Nope. How do I convert that back to... I don't know, let's see, maybe we need to times that by let's see, divided by 1.95. Oh well. Oh no, oopsie, it'd be like... what was that before? What was that? Dang it. Hold on, I need to figure this out. So we'll scale times 5. Alright. So that's how tall it is in pixels, alright? Alright, and then if we add a pixel to it, so that's plus 0.0625. So we're talking about pixels here, so I'll just remember that. And then you divide that. Maybe hold up. 1.95 times 5 divided by 2. Alright, we need to figure this out. I think it's 0.5 plus... Oopsie, hold up. 0.0375. Still too high, because I mean the body's still in the body. His butt's in the seat. His butt is in the seat. Is zombie Steve? What? Oh, I didn't see Alex there. I didn't see you join the chat, dude. What's up, Alex? How you doing? You got that couch yet? What do you mean? Like the bumper cars? Dude, that's a legendary idea. Bumper cars. Dude, I like that idea. Hold on, let me go ahead and write that down. If you guys have any suggestions for what vehicles I should add in, that's the type of ideas that I like. They're the type of ideas I like. Bumper cars. Bumper cars. Okay, I don't think I did my calculation right. I'm pretty sure I had to... Alright, let's do that again. It was 1.95 times by 5 plus 0.0625 divided by 2. Copy that. That's going to make it higher, isn't it? Yeah, it did. Oh no, hold up. Maybe 1.95 times 5, take 0.0625 divided by 2. Maybe this is the right one now. It did nothing. It did nothing! Oh no, whoopsie. 1.95. 1.95 times 5. Sorry, I was converting it in the wrong units, because this is like 9. There is 9 pixels. I was actually doing it by a different value. So we'll say take 1 pixel divided by 2. Yeah, that looks right. I need to think how it looked before, though. Was it like shifted down ever so slightly, the model? Because like it is centered now. Yeah, it's basically that. Oh, no, it's not. I don't know what it looked like before, though. That's the thing. Was it lower than that? Was it lower than that? Oh, let's load up this, right? We'll load up this game, and then I'm going to load up another one. Oh no, I'm not going to be able to do it. Ah! I wanted to implement this thing, but I just wanted to convert over things. We still got to add it in. It's summer break in my country. Why'd you name a pig Sir Pickles? Why not? Handleless ATV. The future Tesla. Was it that high or was it lower? I don't know. Hold up. I go into my yesterday's live stream and have a look. That's how real people do it. They go into an old live stream to look at it. I think I showed off at the start. Nope, wrong one. Hold on. We've got a ton of people watching. Thank you guys for joining in this live stream today. Definitely a highlight this stream today, adding in the new June buggy. Just trying to fix up the model on this one at the moment. I was going to like figure out what the height is. Oh, here we go, here we go. Hope they can get a good clear view of it. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so it's basically like... Is it that? Hold on, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Trying to get like a good view of this. Alright, so I think the wheels... Yeah, the wheels are like in the ground a little bit more. So this is like right. So let me go ahead. Let's have a look here. So... What got moved up there? That one. Hold on, I can't see. I can't see, I'm blind! Hold on, I need to see if this is making a difference. Oh no, I didn't run in the correct mode. Whoops. Can you add race cars? Maybe. I've already got a bunch. I don't know. I don't want to add in like realistic cars. I want to add in. I mean, they're realistic cars. You know, this Dune buggy we're talking about adding in is like legit the best vehicle ever in Minecraft. But sorry I'm late. I left GitHub report for you yesterday. Thanks, dude. Yeah, I think I saw it was the one for the vehicle mod crash on servers or something like that. I'll get around to fixing it. I'll get around to fixing it, you know? You know? Oh, I thought it was going to crash there for a second. I was scared. I was scared, I tell ya. So I'm pretty... Ooh. Okay. Summon ATV. I just wanted to get a closer view of it. What? Get off auto jump. Auto jump is honestly the worst feature, and this is why. This is why. La da 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 da. I'm just gonna come up to our crafting table here. Oh. Just gonna come up to the crafting table. Gonna come up to the crafting. Gonna come up to the crafting. Gonna come up to. Gonna come up to the crafting. Like, no, you can't just, you know, because sometimes that will happen. You'll just be like, you know, you'll be like, whoa. You'll be like running. You'll be running like this, right? And you'll be like this up into the crafting table like that. Apparently they have it on for the new players. They have it on for the new players, guys. Alright, whoopsie, we need to scale this correctly. So this is going to be that times... Oopsie, this divided by 1.95, is that how you can do it? No. How can I... So that's the real positioning, but it needs to be converted to the scale size. So I'm guessing it's divided by 2. One, 3, 2. Hold up. Alright, so that's the value it is. How do I... Like, the thing I need to do is imagine this as the scaled up value. Hold up, what's the Photoshop? Hold up. Paint. Here we go. Paint.net. So, it's like, I'm so silly. So whatever it is, 0.3125 X, it's basically 1.95 x equals that. So to get rid of that, we divide that side by whatever that is. Divide, yeah. Divide by 1.95. It must be that. Doesn't make sense though. Doesn't make sense. I know, it's only like half of it. Oh, hold up. So 1.95 divided by 2 times...
Non-stop music, no ads. So your music won't skip a beat.
Okay, so 0.3125 divided by 0.975. Oopsie, no. 0.3125 times 0.975. That's the value. It's an awkward value because we decided to use these weird scales. See, now that's the dead center. %. Like, see that like, if you draw a line across there, it should be like it. We can even see if we rotate. I don't know, I won't do anything, but it looks centered to me. It looks centered to me, it probably looks centered to you guys too. Do you guys think it looks center? Have a look. So I'm just get a better angle here of it. Trying to test my luck here and get in line with it. Yeah, it's center. Come on, it's center. It's center, so we got that right. Just wondering what that is. Is it centered on this axis though? Or is that the same value? Oh, that just brings it out. That doesn't really matter. We just want this. So what was that calculated by? Because how did we calculate that? Because the problem is now if we change the wheel scale, so let's say 5F. Oopsie, maybe not that big, but 2. Let's try something reasonable, 3. It's still centered apparently. It's because it scales it after it translates. So it doesn't matter what the scale is. Well then how does that work then?
scale 1. Oh my god. We should probably work on the other vehicle, I'm not gonna lie. We should probably work on the other vehicle at this point. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, oh, this is front wheel. Oh, front wheels. Front wheels awkward. But why is that the center? The thing is, I don't want to like, just like, the thing is like with programming, you don't want to be like, oh, that works. Okay, cool. I don't know how it works. I want to know how it works. Offset center. What's that do? Like, I want to know how it works. I want to know how my own mod works. I don't want to just magically write it and be like, oh, cool, there you go, it works. I've learned that too many times. It's bad to do that. So if I do this as 0, I always like to start off, just start it as 0. What happens? Okay. So if we actually have a look at that, right? That right there is center on the ground. Like, it's halfway into the ground, basically. Well, I assume it is. Let's go having a look. So how many pixels we got here? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should have 3. Okay. That's correct. And then how far that should be translated up is to the center of this here. So that would be the amount of pixels that it's off the ground, which is, it's this amount off the ground, plus, it's this plus divided by 2. So 0.4375 plus 0.03125 should be that. Mind you though, I've got this. Okay, so the problem is we're not translating the actual we're not getting the center of the actual wheel. Because what that will do, or I did it too, it's definitely too high. What is it then? What's this value here? Times 0.0625. This is looking better actually. And then I'm going to say plus 0.03125. Ah, okay, that is the value. So that's the center. So that value we calculated was actually the center of it, not anything to do with the scale. So we did actually get that right, and I'm happy about that. Now we know what that value actually is, and that's why I like that, because I don't want to just be like, oh, magically put that in. I need an explanation of what it is. Your head is backwards. Huh? I keep lagging. Turn down equality because we are streaming at 60 FPS here, so maybe your thing might not be able to handle it as well. So what we need to do is most likely create a variable called like double body offset equals this value. Double, say body
Non-stop music, no ads. So your music won't skip a beat.
Yeah, just do body offset, whatever. Now we can actually make sense of, you know, what this is. We need to actually double wheel y offset equals body height plus 0.03125. Sorry. Shouldn't be any different at all. Perfect. So like why we did that right, have a look at this right now, okay? So why we've done it like that is, let's go ahead and pop it into that mode. Can you do impressions? I'm not really the best at voices, that fancy 1080p 60 coding, I know. It's absolutely beautiful now, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the increased quality of these live streams, because I have better internet now, so that's a good thing. Can you do impressions? Yes, I can. Not really. You should probably put the handle back to where it's supposed to be. Put that thing where it's supposed to be. Also, help me. So if we're just to increase that value, watch this, ready? So like the wheels actually adjust with it. Not like super duper exciting, but you get me.
Alright. So I've added in some, I added this one back in. So this variable here controls basically, like, we want to, like, when we render a lot of things, we want to, like, standardize, you know, like, always start from the ground and then do some sort of offset from there. So, like, basically this makes it flat with the ground. So this will actually be on the ground, not in the air or, like, under it. It'll be flat on the ground. And then we can add the offset later on. And then we use that offset for the wheels. Okay. So that's all good. Who thinks I should keep it like this? Keep it like this with the small wheels. And still using 2017 one, yeah. Lols. Just haven't updated. I should probably update. Is there anything useful? What is something that I should be using in the newest update? I have to be up early for work tomorrow. Good night. Thanks for coming along, Fandom Maniac. Appreciate it. Enjoy work. Let's fix up the scale of the wheels. Okay, now the problem is that yeah. I want to make it like the wheels in the ground a little bit more. Like probably by like half a pixel. So we'll do that. But I also want to... I need to fix up the handlebars. What went on here? Trying to figure out what went on here, because now it's not like translated properly. Oh, one of these is going to be 0, I think. Oh, nope. I'll switch into this mode. Is that right? Looks good to me. Like it could be. the slightest higher. Alright, and then we can do like a global translate. Just to push it down ever so slightly. How far on the ground does it go? It goes a pretty... I don't know, I kind of just wanted it to be in the ground ever so slightly. I don't know, was it in the ground before? Let's have a look. Oh, let me get a clear picture. Let's have a look here. Trying to get a good angle of it. Alright, yeah, pretty much was in the ground. I'm pretty sure this is like exactly the same now. Pretty sure it's like exactly the same. Alright, let's have a look at the handlebars. Might have to move the handlebars up. There we go. That's cool. Trying to see, like, I need to get like I'm trying to find a front view of me driving it around. Front view, please. We're supposed to add the new Lamborghini in today. We're still gonna do it. Alright, whatever. I think that's good. I think that's good. I can't see anything wrong with that. We perfected the render. We literally perfected it down to maths. That looks great. It's pretty much back to its normal state.
So your music won't skip a beat.
You should make the front wheels smaller than the back wheels. Why? I can't really do that anyway, because it's not how Minecraft physics works. Alright, so that's that. Cleaned up some. So we need to go ahead. Alright, let's get this working because like we've been delaying this for a very long time now. Render June buggy. Alrighty guys, we're starting to add in this epic vehicle. And hopefully you guys are excited for it. Alright, let's do this. Entity June. Whoopsie, June buggy. There we go. And then we need to change that around to that. There we go. We need to add in the actual models because we haven't done that. Where did I export them to then? June. I don't think we even did at all. June buggy base. Pretty sure that's it. File, export JSON. Get some hype in the chat right now, guys. Hype in the chat. I'll keep this stream in another tab. You got algebra homework. Dude, what year are you in? Models, item. June buggy body. And let's go ahead, load project, June buggy handlebar. Alright, there we go. Alright, perfect. Oh yeah, I forgot we can get rid of this, basically. That's why I wanted to clean that up, is because we were able to actually get rid of this now. Huge memory leak. This dude on the server I'm on has like 50 ults and it's crazy. What? Probably hacked or something like that. Oh yeah, whoopsie. Soz. Left the kind of game on. I didn't mean to do that. Alright, so for now we're going to be like item stack. Body equals new item stack. Mod items. June buggy body. Just don't worry about this for now. Alrighty. Let's do, that's the body. And then we have handle bar. Alright, so this will be interesting because the handlebar is going to need the actual wheel rotating with it as well. So I'm excited to see how this plays out. Very excited to see how it plays out. June buggy. Someone's got like, oh, it has a June buggy? And then they realize it's one of these June buggies. It's gonna be funny. Alright, start it up. Are you guys ready for the first rendering of this? Just after this ad break. Just after this quick ad break, guys. Ah! Get some hype right now. Hype right now. Let's do a cheese hype. Let's do a cheese hype, guys. Cheese hype. You guys ready for a cheese hype? Do you want to do it? Do you want to do a cheese hype? How many people we got here? How many people we got? Ah, not too many. Let's do a cheese hype anyway. We haven't done a cheese hype in a very long time. If you guys don't know what a cheese hype is, simply type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat and post a bunch of cheese emoji along with it. And if you're a sponsor, make sure you utilize your custom emoji that are provided because you're a sponsor. So let's go ahead. Let's do this cheese hype here. In 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! Boom! Too easy. Too easy. Let's go ahead. Let's see it all roll in. It's going to come in a second here. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Cheese hype. Show it all. Make sure you show every single comment that has cheese hype right now. Alright, we're going to go ahead. Summon June buggy. Huh? This ain't June buggy. This ain't June buggy. Hold up. Where's my June buggy body? That ain't June buggy. That ain't June buggy. Where'd it go? I don't understand. Colored vehicle body. Oh, don't worry. How did that not work? Are we registering it correctly? Yeah. Alright, let's try that again. I don't think this is even rendering at all. I don't know how. It wasn't, but it's not even rendering at all. Proxy. Definitely registering it. She's hype. We should do Teletubby hype. I think Teletubby hype would be insane. I'm not sure what happened there, why it didn't render correctly. Alright, I'll try it now. Ugh. Big stretch. Why is it? Why is it doing this? I can't believe you've done this. Client events. I can't believe you've done this. Like, it's not being rendered at all. Summon June. Like, that's apparently not being called at all. Did I make a mistake? Oh, hold up. We forgot to increase the ID. My bad. No, it's not. The vehicle class is a common class. Trust me. The vehicle class is just the base methods. And then like binding the actual renderer is different. So as you can see, ATV, Dune Buggy, they should be two completely separate things. Like there's no way the Dune Buggy can be calling the render ATV. BT dubs. It's the ID of it. The ID was already taken, so I didn't decide to register differently. So summon Dune Buggy now, and we should have it. There we go. Oh my god. Let's have a look what this looks like. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. What's going on there? It looks so awkward. What the heck? We are going super duper fast right now. Holy shoot. Forgot this thing was super fast.
Non-stop music, no ads. So your music won't skip a beat.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
This thing doesn't turn well. This thing doesn't turn well. I think it's something to do with the speed. I'm gonna have to look into that. It's something to do with the speed. Holy shoot. Alright, this thing goes legendary fast. Something to do with the physics I gotta fix up. Cause like, this thing doesn't turn like at all. So... maybe we'll change the entity, the Dune buggy speed to be like 20 instead. So if we summon a new one here. So like, it's supposed to be like that. I think I know, I'll figure out the problem. It should be like, the thing is, it should be like the faster you're going, the less you're able to turn. That's kind of what my physics are. So like, even, doesn't matter what speed you're going, if you're like turning right this way and you just tap it, you should be able to just turn. Type thing. Alright. So we need to fix this up. So render Dune buggy. So we need to get rid of these front wheels. We're only having the back ones now. Alright. Scale of it. What does one look like? Also, the scale of the model is pretty good too. I'm pretty happy with that. We're going to have to switch over to this view real quickly. Maybe like 125. Alright, so we need to first, okay. So this is kind of the whole process of setting up this, alright. Okay, definitely need that too. Okay, so the first step is to make it level with the ground. Make it level with the ground. So we can figure that out by loading up the project. Dune buggy, base, do this, size, so it's 2 off the ground. 125. Yep. Correct. What happens if I get the grid of the body offset? Huh. Oh, oopsie. It's...
Nope, it's not that. Hold up. 375. There we go. Alright, we've done that now. Alright, there we go. Body offset. And the problem here is, right, that this isn't 1 pixel, this is like, I don't know what, but we can figure it out. And this is, yeah, okay. So it's 0.3. And then we've got to convert that to a pixel value. So 0.3 times 0.065, whatever that is, goes there. And then we should have wheels that are centered correctly. We're going to fix up the offset to the center. So I'm pretty sure it's here. Oh no, this is don't worry about this, but still need to do this one. So hard to see. How am I going to figure this one out? I think it's... What was that before? Hold on, let's have a look. How did I get that value? Okay, so that would be 0.625 plus 0.03125. Yes. I think. Hold up. Yes, I'm correct. So, assuming, alright, so let's go. So the offset to the center would be 6. $5.7, which is that. Perfecto. And then let's go ahead and translate the, I think it's this one, I don't know why. Nope. Wheel offset. So it's to do with the... Why are the wheels like that? Don't worry. I mean, it's looking pretty good so far, if you ask me. The only annoying thing is it doesn't have, like, shadows. It doesn't have, like, shadows on it, which is kind of weird. Maybe I disable... Maybe I can enable something that will allow it to have shadows. I don't know. That's it. That's the vehicle, my dudes. It's pretty cool if you ask me. It's pretty cool. Alright. We get in there. We get in there. So we have a... So what happens if we get rid of that? Okay, so that doesn't change at all. Us wheel Z offset. Call it Z offset. Holy shit! Oh my god.
Okay. So it's 5:30 AM and I'm starting to feel somewhat tired, so I'm gonna head off to bed now. Thank you for keeping my mind busy. Smile.
Thanks Fabby50 for coming along to the live stream. Thanks for the dedication, dude. Super duper late where you are and you still managed to make the live stream like some other people can't. Nah, thanks for coming along, dude. I'll see you next time. Too far. Is that too far? Alright, there we go. That's pretty much right. So getting this so far, I think there's like a... Where is it? Entity June buggy, entity vehicle. I think there's like a get Y offset, get mounted Y offset. Yeah. Gonna have to restart the game here. so that is all good. What did we change around? Oh yeah, we changed the mounted offset. Hold on, let's see what happens here. No, not low enough. Hold up. There we go. Nope. 4. Yep. That's pretty good. Obviously we have to change around the model. We'll use obfuscate to be able to change around the actual handlebars and that type of stuff, or make our arms actually move. What happens if it's here that it does it? What if we just do me. Alright. So it's getting there. Alright, so this is going to be the big thing. This is going to be the most difficult thing, is rendering these handlebars, because they're kind of awkward. Plus we've got to render another wheel. Oh my god, I was doing the wrong thing. Handlebars, there it is. Alright, so the thing is, the rotation, right, should be in the center of the actual thing. So, trying to think here what we've got to do. Like, my guess is GL State Manager rotate 22.5 on the x-axis. Yep. So they make it like, that makes it stand up, right? And then our rotation is going to be on one of these other axes. Oh no, hold on, maybe it is on that one. So like, it like rotates awkwardly. Let's get rid of any sort of translation for now. Maybe just offset translate on the Y. Okay, I think. Alright, I gotta figure out what are we doing here. So we need to Alright, so that's apparently the correct position for it. That's the correct position, we just need to rotate it correctly. Okay, so under this assumption, alright, I think I understand what's going on here. So we need to go File, Dune Buggy Handlebars. figure out the difference between the center and basically
Non-stop music, no ads. So your music won't skip a beat.
basically that. So it's kind of like 4. We need to translate that 4 on the 0.0. Like that, I think. Wrong X. It's on the Z. I said the Z. Maybe it was negative. Yeah, it's probably negative. Alright. Give that a sneaky rotation. And then I think it needs to be translated back. Nope. Yeah, this is the problem I was going to run into. Let's go figure out what... Zontic, you're falling asleep. RIP sponsor. Fix obfuscate, please. Yeah, I will. Alright, let's take that back to there. Let's see what's going on here. So without anything, what does it do? Where's that rotate? The thing is, it's not rotating right. And that's because of the weird angle that it's on. The only way I can fix this is I have to like redesign. Like I can do it with this, it's just trying to figure out what I need to do first. What I'm gonna do is translate it above like my head, because I can't see. So what happens if I do this after that? Oh, that's what I want. That's what I want, guys. Alright, now that we've got to that point. So the thing is, it's still not translated properly into the center. Still not. Does it matter where it is? I don't think it does, actually. No. Literally doesn't matter where it is. Alright, so that translation is going to come after maybe this. Oh no, it'll come after this. Geostate measure translate on one of these. So let's say negative 0.2. That's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Alright, now that we've done that, right, we have to translate it back. Alright, then we need to rotate this on the x-axis. 22.5 F. Probably not that one. No. Nope. Negative. No! Because what I want to do now, right? Mood negative. Maybe we could put like this up here. So we said negative 22 there. Does that work? Oh, that does. Oh. Cool. Let's go get rid of that. 0.5 at least, I think. And then I think 4. What was it? 4 times 0.065. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Too far though. 3.5 or something. Almost there. 3. Oh yeah, there we go. All right. Best vehicle in game, my dudes. We could also change the Dune buggy offset to be like 3.5 or something. Make it come down a little teeny bit lower. Adorable. And then we just need to render a wheel inside of there.
Enjoy non-stop music, even when you leave the app or when you're offline. Listen to it all ad-free.
Let's just copy one of these. So after it renders that, Need to copy that. Wheel scale. Pop this up here. Alright, and then we're not going to have it rotating. No, get rid of that there. Basically needs to copy that wheel angle. Alright, now I need to just translate it. What's this doing? Alright, we shouldn't need this at all. Translate. Alright, we're on the home run, boys. We're on the home run. Get excited. And then probably just manually. Oh wow, this is awkward. Maybe we don't even need to touch that. Maybe we do. So difficult. Let's have a look. Oh, what the heck? What was that? What happened to my render? What did I do? Hold up. We need to translate this thing up. Oh. Awkward. Lol. Alright, there we go. Alright, so the translate come after this. Oh. Almost. Alright, it's going to be translated before it. Otherwise we get awkward issues. Oh no, it's going to be translated above the rotate. My bad. Oh, does that mean we get better access to positioning? Yes. Oh, cool. Rate me memes. Alright boys, here we go. That can be rid of. Hold up. You guys excited for Spyro? Spyro's coming out at the end of the year. What's Spyro? You guys don't know about Spyro? What? It's a classic. It's a classic, man. The wheel is like too big. Oh, wait, hold on, there's an error. What happened there? I didn't change anything. Something went wonky in the translation. 65.
Yeah, it definitely needs to have blue wheels, I feel. Actually have like the actual theme of it. Alright, so that wheel positioning is pretty good. The only thing I'd say about it is that the wheels are big. Also, we can scale this up, I'm pretty sure, if we really wanted to. Like, to be a little bit bigger. Otherwise, we can keep it this small. Alright, let's see what we can do here. So we can say if it's that, right? We can say if entity ATV
Non-stop music.
do that,
So your music won't sit.
else this is a good song. Alright, so nothing should really change. We just need to change around, I think, this. Probably don't even want to do them, to be honest. Probably at 55. We might have to scale it up very slightly. I mean, we're already doing it. We're already scaling it up. Oopsie, no. That's the ATV. Whoops. Might have to adjust the turn rotation. Because it depends on the width of the handlebars. Mine don't go up that high. Float, turn rotation. Let's do our own turn rotation, maybe like 10 instead. Yeah, even less than that, to be honest. 8. It looks so funny. And what we could do as well is change the render of this ever so slightly. Oh, nope. Let's change that angle. Let's have a look so far. Wait. Oh my god. Can we get some hype right now, guys? Hype right now. I want some hype right now. Hype right now. Turn it up right now.
Might move it up ever so slightly. Oh my god. Oh, what the heck? Oh no, there we go. Wait. Look at that perfectly model. Yo, who thought you'd ever be riding one of these babies in Minecraft? This beautiful Lamborghini. Should we add in the colored wheels, guys? Should we add in the colored wheels? We've been hashtag overtime livestream, my dudes. Hashtag overtime livestream right here. Holy shoot. This thing goes off. This thing absolutely goes off. That's a fast track, yeah. I feel like the speed of this one's actually going to be like 5. Let's go ahead and summon it again. 7 June buggy. Like, I feel like this should be the speed of it. Drifties. And then like I'll make like a Easter egg where it like boosts up somehow. Like you can boost it super fast. Alright, let's make the wheels blue. Who wants the wheels blue, my dudes? Let me know right now. Let me know right now. Because we're going to go load wheel. Vehicle wheel. Don't know what's up with that. Ah, I know why. We'll get rid of this logo. Because we don't need that. Faces, image, import, concrete, blue. What color should we make this? What color do you think we should make this, guys? Should we make it like a... Oh, it's already that pretty much already. Should we make it like that? What color should we have this one in the center? Or a different kind of blue maybe? Wool colored blue. Oh no, we're gonna have issues with that. Oh no. Maybe we could do it like concrete and cyan. Maybe that. That looks good. I like that. Do you guys think that looks good? That blue wheel? Looks nice. Let's go file, save as, vehicle, wheel, blue. We'll say wheel, blue. Let's add it in. We'll call it June buggy wheel instead. June buggy. Because it's like the only instance where we're actually going to use it. So. June buggy wheel. Cray is Cray. Cray. Hey, hey, hey. Hey now. Your boy ain't Cray. Your boy just obsessed with this new June buggy we just added into Minecraft. Cause hype. Yeah, we're still gonna clean this up. June buggy wheel. Just make sure the wheel, copy the display properties and pop it into the new one. Just so it's the same. In case it's not. Alright, let's reload the game here. And then finally it should look normal. Normal people don't talk to themselves about a mysterious wheel that is supposed to be on screen instead of in the Minecraft creative inventory. Hey! Hey now. It's a beautiful wheel. You should easily be able to watch 2 hours of just that wheel, to be honest. And if you guys want to get a shout out in this live stream today, make sure you go over and yeah, looking at how it works on the screenshot, the whole screen is saved into memory. This memory is then accessed and shown on the picture display. Wheel of June buggy. Did I write June buggy? June. Oh, whoopsie.
Non-stop music, no ads.
Oh, whoopsie, hold up.
Won't skip a beat.
We're not even using this. Where is it? Wheel. 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 Hey! The only thing that's awkward about it is it doesn't have shading. We don't have any shading, boys. What do we even do? It needs shading so bad. I don't know why it doesn't have shading. There we go. So long just to add this in. Worth it though. Worth it. See you later, I'm out of here, boys. We can get in here. Hold on, I have to set the size of this thing. Set size. Alright, so I'll summon another one. There we go. Hehehehe. Meme.
This would be hilarious in PUBG. Taking down fools left, right, and center in this baby. Only thing I don't like is the resistance. I don't want the, like, the turning's too slow for it to... Yeah, I'll have to figure that out. I might make it like a speed thing instead of a percentage. Don't worry. I'm talking to myself about the turning. Because, like, when you're going at max speed, you don't see the turning. But because we're going so slow, that shouldn't be a thing. So, like, I want to be able to see that turning when I'm actually doing that. But I don't see it. What happens if we go render June buggy? Enable lighting. There was like a Minecraft.get Minecraft. So get light. Get render manager light. Set light. Get light map. Hold on, I did it in my gun mod. Event, client, render, entity, render event. Ah, here we go. It's like here. Enable light map. Where's my light map at? It just looks weird without any sort of shading. Oh no, here we go. Oh yeah, there we go. That's so much better now. Holy shoot. It actually has some depth to it now. Is that causing any issues? Wait. Let's make sure that doesn't cause issues for anything though. The problem will be like other entities will go really weird. So we gotta make sure that doesn't happen. Let's go like sheep or something. Ah, that seems to be fine. I think. Yeah, it is. Looks so much better with shading now. Holy shoot. That's what I like. Hehehehe. I'm half shark and half Peter. Don't come near me, I will eat you. Alright, what do you guys think? Rate it out of 10 right now, guys. Rate it out of 10. What do you guys think? Have a look at this beast. Ooh. Ooh. Let's give a little fly around here of it. Dang. What do you guys think? Like, in comparison to the picture, how well do you think I've done? How well do you think I've done? How well do you think I've done in comparison to the picture? I think maybe the wheels could be a little bit smaller. I think that's the only thing I could say. Cause let's have a look what happens if I do that. Make the wheels a little bit smaller. Do you reckon smaller wheels? Yeah, that works better actually. Now we need to fix this offset. There we go. How's front wheel looking? Is front wheel floating? Is front wheel floating? Is the whole model floating? It is. The whole model's floating. Hold up, we need to... Oops. That's right. Alright, there we go. And then we need to fix the translation of take body. All right. Definitely still. Oh. What's going on with the handlebars there? That shouldn't be like that. See how it's got that extra bit at the top there? Thought I fixed that up. Have a look. That's pretty good now. What do you guys think? Let's have a look. You guys said 11 out of 10, 9.99, 9.251 out of 10 now. Why don't you make the wheels round? Because it's Minecraft. It's Minecraft. They are round. They're just low poly round. They're low poly round. Yo, some guys like, yo, Crayfish, can you make like a integration with this mod? Hold on, what we're gonna do?
Alright. Hold up. This might be a little bit better. His hands aren't touching the handlebars. That's a bit better. There we go. Alright, let's do some insane speeds. Who wants me to turn up the speed of this thing to like faster than a Lamborghini? Faster than a Lamborghini. Faster than a Lamborghini. Alright, let's summon a new one. Whoa. Oh, it's so hard to control with these physics. Drift for days. I need to fix up the physics of the vehicles. Oh god. Let's keep it going. Oh no, it's not good. Oh, it is not liking this. It is 100% not liking this. Let's get back. Let's get back. Woo! Yeah, this thing doesn't like going fast, I tell you right now. My physics are bad. I need to fix them up. So this is actually the speed of the actual ATV, normal ATV. There should be sounds. I've got them off. Here, listen to this. Hold up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Rest in peace, headphone users. What about its real... Let's put it to its real speed, guys. Let's put it to its real speed. This is its real speed, guys. It's real speed. This is 1 block per second. Yeah, it's because I gotta fix up the reason why the handles don't look like they're turning when I move is because basically I've made it so it's gonna depend on speed, not the actual max speed of the vehicle. Because like, as you can see when I'm stopped, it is turning. But it's just when I go like actual start turning it that it goes back to something a little bit more straight. How long have I been streaming for? 3 hours now. But I wanted to add this in. So I gotta fix up the physics of the actual turning stuff, but that'll be really simple to do. Pretty happy that I got the turning of this working. Fix your mods. Hey! I know, you did fix a lot. You should PR me. You should PR me that furniture stuff. He's like, nah. Oh.
It's because I'm too busy. I'm like too busy with like a lot of stuff. Alright, maybe the speed to 5. Alright. I need to change the sounds so they don't... I need to change the sounds so they like are more they're like more suited towards the actual speed instead of like the max speed, because like regardless of what vehicle you use, if you reach your max speed, it's gonna sound like this. It's always gonna sound like that. So I feel like it should just be more like it should just be like this as the sound for it. Like a kind of a low sound. So yeah, if you didn't know, there's a hidden engine on this one. You know, on the real ones they don't have an engine, but you know, as you can see here, look at that. It's a V8 under there. It's a V8 under the bonnet, my dudes. It's in Steve's butt. I think the music restarted again. It did. You are like a little kid riding a toy car, pretty much. I think if I do a video of this, I'm going to do it to like 10. The speed. A plastic scraping sound for the bike track. Yeah, I want to do that. Like, I'm only using these sounds because they're the only sounds I've got at the moment for this. Thought I heard something again. I'm always hearing things. I swear I'm like 100% hearing stuff. Alright, one on, one off. I fixed a lot of things in the furniture mod, lol. But like the thing is, like half those bugs you fixed I didn't even know about. Because no one reported them. No one reported those bugs. So usually I only fix bugs that are like actually reported. Well, that's good if you find a lot of bugs. But I'm too lazy to make 20 reports. Oh. Well, there you go. Well, where's the other people? Alright, I did find an issue with shading, actually. So... So we've got to...
do. Like, see how there's like an issue? Like, the other objects are becoming shaded weirdly. Disable lighting. Yeah, once if I do that though, then everything becomes like no depth at all. Which it doesn't look nice. Definitely looks better when it actually has lighting to it. Yeah, I don't know how to fix it up, to be honest. It's kind of a weird glitch that I can't... Uh-oh. I want to be able to fix it up, but I don't know. Let's have a look at, like, you know, something else, like entity sheep. Render model. Oh, what's this? Unset brightness. Huh. So what's this? Unset brightness. I feel like this will help because like there's something to do with it. I'm just spinning around now. Like, some of them get affected, some of them don't. Could I copy that? Because that works just straight off the bat. Still definitely something going on. Ugh. Set active texture. Oh, maybe this. Yeah, I don't know a lot about the light maps in Minecraft. Yeah, it's still causing issues. Oh, no, I didn't even... We wouldn't have even seen it, we added it. Don't worry. What happened if ASWD is in your favorite world? What? You know what would be cool? If someone made a custom add bounding box list method that adds bounding boxes and does custom render of them. Yeah, but that's the thing. It's possible. It's possible, but yeah. MC 1.13, or is that actually happening in 1.13? ASWD is a newbie YouTuber. Ah! Uh-oh. See how it still does that? Like, that's what I want to stop. See how I'm changing the lighting just by rotating this? I don't even know. Set lighting. Set active texture. Sets the current lighting light map texture to the specified. Open geo constant. Still going like an OG, pretty much. Just want to fix up this lighting issues. It's so annoying. Hold on, what I'm gonna do is hop off that. Forge. Cray, can you fix that bug where you're frozen in time? Not really, but the screen is just showing the model creator. Oh. Yeah, I've got to do something more serious to fix that up though. Hold up. Set. For some reason I thought we were dealing with TSRs.
Enjoy. Stop. Even when you leave the
Don't know why.
or when you're offline.
Thought we were dealing with TSRs.
Do it all ad-free.
Let's have a look. What is this? Okay.
Like YouTube's literally just playing music and I'm scared. Would discussion be a good place to advertise for code devs for the device mod add-ons? I need a person or two to help me with ID add-on while IT is away. Yes. That'd be fine. That'll be fine. It's like a reset. Let's reset color do. Oh. What's color material? Have you heard of a YouTuber called Fat Rat? He has music? No, I never heard of him. GL Light model. Maybe we have to do something like, what's that, render helper? Oh. I think that worked. I think that worked, boys. Let's just go ahead. Get rid of that. Now when I rotate, it doesn't affect any of them. Where's this gaming code? Get rid of that. We Gucci. What does that even do? Hold up. Yeah, I wouldn't have never been able to figure that out, boys. I would never have been able to figure that, boys and girls. That is some confusing stuff. This thing is a literal beast. Could we see the actual bike because you're on the
Because you're on the model Cray, but the cam is fine. What? Oh, what the heck? How long has it been like that for? Who didn't tell me? You did? We need to have like races with this on the sponsor server for sure. 30 minutes of model creator. What the heck? No one, you gotta scream at me. What the heck? I should really have OBS like up at all times. Happens to me so like pretty much every live stream I always at some point don't have it up. How did I not see it? How did I not see it? We should donate at least $1 every time this happens to get his attention. I should like reduce the amount to like 50 cents. Oh no, I don't really want to just because I don't want people to spam it. Because you are Cray. It's just Cray things. Just Cray things, guys. Wee. We should make it so you can't step up with these. So we could do like... So in entity vehicle here you'll see that step height is 1.0. But for like this, right, we should set that back to there. And then... summon June Buggy. And then that means you can't like ride up things like that. It kind of makes sense in a way. This vehicle is not like good enough to do that. Maybe we could do like at the minimum 0.5, then you can have slabs. Then you can have slabs. Then we can do there we go. That's fair. Yeah, I just want to travel. Wing! We need like a boost mode on this thing. Engage turbo. Engage thrusters! That'd be a legendary feature about this. Like... just like... hectic. Like maybe if we sprint, it should like boost. Uselessly awesome. I like that. Will there be an API for this mod? No. I mean, you could utilize it if you really wanted to. Like, you can already like download it and utilize like the entity vehicle class if you really want to. But then it'd basically be an add-on. It's possible to do it. Like if you want to utilize the physics. A guy pulls up next to your chick riding this, what do you do? What do you do, guys? A guy pulls up on this beast of a vehicle next to your girl. What do you do? What do you do? He's like, get on, baby. What do you do, guys?
Scream. I'd sell my girl to him for the bike. You can walk through the top half and sides of a bath. Oh yeah, that's kind of been broken. It's too small. It's supposed to be small. You don't realize what we've created here. We created this mini trike. This mini dune buggy that kids ride. It's for like when you're like 2 years old. Why can't you add horns? Of course I can add horns. I actually do want to add horns, so in the future most likely we'll look out for it. Look out for it. It doesn't fit your butt. What are you talking about? It does fit my butt. Look at it. I'm sitting on it. You hating on this dune buggy? You hating on this amazing vehicle? Better than a Lamborghini basically? This is a Lamborghini Plus. It's a Lamborghini Plus 1. It is a dune buggy. It's a kid's dune buggy. Ah, no. It's a kid's dune buggy. What would you call it then? What would you call it? It's a tricycle. It's a dune buggy. Tricycle. I might rename it. There's always potential to rename. But it's a dune buggy. I reckon it'll be funny. Yeah, I know. It's the thing that I searched it on. It called it a dune buggy. So if you do like kids dune buggy toy, right? If you search out kids dune buggy toy, that pops up on the list. It's a dune buggy ride-on tricycle. Crayfish is Illuminati confirmed. Stream's still going. We good. We've been streaming for 3 hours and 47 minutes. Holy heckin'. That's a long time. Oh my god, I discovered that if you middle click an image in Discord, it opens in your browser. Does it? Oh. Confirm the trike is a part of the Illuminati. 4 hours almost. Can we get some hype? Get some hype. I think 3 hours, yeah, there's 3 hours and 47 minutes on my stream software. Mind you, it has like 10 minutes extra. Yeet! Hi everyone, it seems like I'm in time for the end of the stream. Yes, you are, my dude. I saw the description, it says 4 hours. Oh, jeez. Yeet! Best vehicle ever. It's funny because you can actually get all the parts for these if you go give vehicle you can get all the parts for it. But it's good because they can be used later on for like the actual crafting recipes and whatnot. Let's add a sword on here. Let's hold a sword. Yo, watch out, everybody! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Crayfish is coming through. We're gonna have like a June buggy battle on the sponsor server for sure. You guys wanna see that? Sponsors, do you wanna see that? Like a June buggy battle? I'm calling it June buggy. Added ability drinks that are placed on the ground. Oh yeah, that's sick. Yes, guns as well. Here, already watch this. I think if I go into game mode S, look at this new. If you guys don't know, I added like a brake animation now to it, so it's kind of like the same as the boat. There we go. Huzzah! All right, let's go ahead. Let's kill some things real quickly. Let's give it a test run. Got him. Got him. Hey! Come back here. How can I drive up? How can I drive? I can't drive up that. What oh no, this is a different one. Okay. Don't worry. This is a different instance of it. It's a different instance of it. Oh, there's a village over here. Got him. Yo, villagers. They're checking out my vehicle, guys. They're checking out my vehicle. Look who's rocking up into town. Look who's rocking up into town with this beast of a vehicle. Can I get some service here? What the heck? I need some service. Yeah, look at him. He's like, oh, dang. I can sell you this track, dude. Some emeralds. I can sell it to you. What is that over there? Hold up. Oh, wow. It's like an actual water village right here, guys. That looks like it goes pretty deep. Dem raids though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's still issues. There's still issues. We gotta fix it up. Me. Ow. Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you want in your burger is someone's foot fungus. But as it turns out, that might be what you get. Hui. Hui. No one can mess with me with this. I'm literally protected. Hui. Ah! It's fighting me! Ah! How to fish properly. How to fish properly, guys. Hui.
Too easy. That line seems legit. Obfuscate. Obfuscate does not move the line. What? Oh. There's not much I can do about a line. Uh-oh. Oh. Look at this. This is built for us, this podium. Look at this. It was meant to be. Look, it's going to be Screenshot City here. Screenshot City here, boys. Needs more lighting. Needs shaders. I'm going to install this mod and do some shaders with it. Should I release this mod? Should I just release the mod straight away? Release the mod straight away tonight? Might do. Might do. Whee! Oh my god, Ocelot, please do not talk about that. Maybe it was in context or something, don't worry. Put the laser mod code up. Maybe. Maybe not. So I can fix it. What are you gonna fix about it? What are you fixing about it? No, I appreciate the fixes though. I appreciate the fixes though. There's a lot of bugs, like, I don't discover bugs until somebody actually plays around with it, because it's like, I don't have the time to spend, you know, hours playing around with it. Release it. The best vehicle ever. Honestly, you couldn't get a better vehicle. Even if you tried, you could not get a better vehicle. When you make modern looking couches in the furniture mod, the hitboxes are like a couch face. When you make the hitboxes are like a couch facing the opposite direction. This is the longest stream in my whole YouTube experience. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know. I do long live streams, especially when I was doing mod week. I've done like 6-hour live streams before. What was your favorite food since you were 3 years old? I don't know. It's an odd question. I don't know what it would be. My favorite, I don't know. My favorite food right now would be like pizza. I know my favorite food would be curries, to be honest. I like pizza, but like if I was gonna say anything, it'd be curry. I just dislike making curry because it takes too long. Squid curry? Ugh. Doesn't sound too good. Probably, is that a legit thing though? A boat would be nice. Yeah, I definitely plan to add a boat. I'm going to be adding jet skis. I'm going to be adding jet skis.
Alright, there we go, guys. We've added it in, and I think that is going to end off this live stream today. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right in half. Turn on your post notifications. I'm going to go ahead and do some Twitter shoutouts for you guys right now. Twitter shoutouts. Alrighty. So let's see how many people retweeted today. Alright. Oh wow, so many Twitter notifications. Hold on, I gotta make sure I actually get them all here. Someone's got an RC Lambo. Oh my god. Someone's got like all my mods downloaded. That's really cool. So we got a shout out to Rob. These are just quotes. Rob, Spider Logical, and then let's go into the actual retweets here. Damn, we got a lot of them. Thank you guys for the support over on this live stream today. We're gonna shout out to Cheese and Crackers for Life, Lister Zapanta, Ocelot, Four Falls, TNT, Egg TV, Darth Lilo, Hunter H, Alpha Think, YGamer 600, Haunted Corpse, Master Chief, Fabi50, Donovan Wood, and Rawley 11405. Cheers, guys, for the support there over on Twitter. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure you guys go over to my Twitter, because straight after this, I'm actually gonna install this mod, get a picture with it with shaders. I'm gonna post it over on Twitter, so if you guys could go over there afterwards and give it a sneaky like and potentially a retweet as well. That would be really nice. And I think I'm going to do a video on this and release it tonight. So as well on the main channel, look out for that. But yeah, that is going to end off this video. Oh, sorry, this live stream today. I thought I was like recording a video. But that's going to end off this video today, guys. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. That's like my outro type thing. That's my outro. I don't like to, I don't know. I'm not like that in live streams because it's just it's too real in live streams. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed this live stream today. Make sure you go ahead, snap that like button, and I will see you guys for some more epic live streams. I'm not sure what I'm going to do tomorrow because I don't feel like I'm going to work on this mod tomorrow. I might work on something else. I might not even be live streaming tomorrow. Or maybe we can go on the sponsor server, and that would be kind of cool. Should we do sponsor server tomorrow, guys, with this mod on installed and have a June buggy battle or something like that? I think that would be legendary. Sponsor server? Yeah. So if you guys want to get into the sponsor server, become a sponsor of this channel, and you'll be able to pop onto it tomorrow and play with us. But that is it. I will see you guys later. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Snap that like button. Catch you later.